Friends, Aligarh Muslim University is a heartthrob of the Muslim community. It has inspired the Muslim community for education. But for Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded Aligarh Muslim University, the condition of the Muslim community in India would have been very pathetic. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was a pillar of the community. He realized that but for education, we will stand nowhere, and did what he did to make the Muslim community realize the importance of modern education. طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلم ومسلمة was his slogan. And Aligarh Muslim University came into existence. It was in some other name, Mohammedan Oriental College, when it was established. Anyhow, the inspiration, the work Sir Syed Ahmad Khan did for the uplift of the educationally backward Muslim community will never be forgotten. And it celebrated its centenary. Yesterday, our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, addressed the celebration. The Aligarh Muslim University, founded by the great Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, did the right thing in accordance with Islamic thought and spirit in inviting our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to its centenary celebrations. Yesterday, that is Tuesday, 22nd December 2020, addressing the Aligarh Muslim University's centenary celebrations via video conferencing, our Prime Minister Modi ji said the nation was on a path today where everyone, irrespective of religion, was assured of their constitutional rights and their future, and where no community was left behind. The government's schemes for the poor were reaching all sections of the people without religious bias. He said, whatever religion we are born in, it is important to see how to blend our aspirations with national goals. There can be ideological divide in society, but when it comes to the nation's development, everything else is secondary. Very right thing our Prime Minister Modi ji has said. Islam gives importance to nation building and giving importance to all sections of the people. As far as patriotism is concerned, we are second to none in it. Qaid-e-Millat Muhammad Ismail Sahib used to say everywhere, even in parliament, that Hubbul Watani min al-Iman, patriotism is a part of our religion. And so yesterday, the great speech delivered by Modi ji was excellent. He further said, when it comes to the nation, there is no question of ideological differences. Modi ji said, it is logical for me to say this here because Aligarh Muslim University produced many freedom fighters. They had their ideological differences, but they set them aside for freedom. Like freedom united them, we have to work on a common ground for Naya Bharat, he said. Modi ji's stress on constitutional rights is to be appreciated and thanked. Thank Modi ji for your excellent address, stressing on nation's development and education, and assurance that constitutional rights of all would be protected. The Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University and others connected with the university also deserve thanks for the invitation extended to our Prime Minister Modi ji and making the university move in the right direction without involving politics. Thank you for your listening.